Hey guys, this is Rick of Green Dynamics Lawn Care, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to calculate your aeration costs and the cost of the materials that you're putting down in your lawn. So stay tuned right after this. Hey guys, this is Rick with Green Dynamics Lawn Care, and we're back. Hey, I just want to say thank you for subscribing, like, and share the channel. Make sure you do that. So let's get right into it. So today we're going to talk about how do you calculate the cost of your materials going down into a customer's lawn, as well as aeration. So the way that we do that, we'll have to take the price of the product and divide that by the weight of the product. So today I try to be more realistic by choosing something that you can go and get from big box store like Home Depot, Lowe's, Tractor Supply, or whatever you have locally that might have these materials. So the first thing we're going to do is talk about fertilizer. I apologize in advance. I'm going to be looking down on my sheet and up quite often, just to kind of keep things in line here. We're going to be talking about fertilizer first. I chose Milorganite Fertilizer because it's commonly known by people in the green industry, and that's what I use because I like all natural products. There are a lot of products out there, but that's what I like to use. So here in North Carolina, a bag normally goes for $16. So we take that $16 and divide it by its weight, which is 32. That gives us 50 cents per pound. Now, if you look at the back of the bag or go to that product's website, you'll see the recommended rate for applying that fertilizer down, depending on the fertilizer that you choose. So this particular fertilizer is 2,500, covers 2,500 square feet. So what I did is kind of guesstimate. I said, hey, they recommend it's 32 pounds per 2,500 square feet. So I chose to use 14 pounds as a recommended spread weight for every 1,000 square feet. So if we take the 50 cents and times the 14 pounds out, that gives us $7 per 1,000 square foot. Okay. So now we know it costs $7 per 1,000 square feet to lay down this Milorganite fertilizer. The next thing we're going to go to is going to be the seeding, seeding, whatever you guys may call it. For this particular product, here in the Carolinas, the best southern grasses, to me, I think clients should should choose is number 1, Zoysia, Centipede, and then everything else. Those are my top 2, Zoysia and Centipede. Just because low maintenance, the Zoysia has a high tolerance of traffic. The Centipede doesn't, but it's low maintenance. But I love Zoysia because it's highly drought tolerant. And by us being, we're now in a Zone 8 Alpha or Zone 8A for North Carolina. So we're a little bit warmer now. So we just became what Georgia used to be, and Georgia became what Florida used to be as far as our climatic zones. So I chose Zoysia, and the particular brand that I chose was Pennington Zoysia seed, which is a good seed. A little bit more expensive when you're going with Zoysia over other seeds like K31 or Centipede or Tall Fescue and other things of that nature. But let's take a look. So we got 5 pounds of Zoysia seed that goes for $40. That's what I'm saying. This is expensive, but we're gonna do this anyway because I love Zoysia. So we take the $40 divided by the 5 pounds. That gives us $8 per pound going out. Now, if you once again look at the label, see what the recommended spread rates are for these seeds. And for this particular one, it's 5 pounds out. So I'll take the $8 times 5. That gives us $40 per 1,000 square foot. That's for average homeowner, it seems kind of expensive, but at the same time, you're going to pay for what you get. Okay, so that's $40 per 1,000 square foot out. So now we did our fertilizer, we did our seed, and so we know that the fertilizer is $7 and the seed is $40. So we have a material cost, and just the material cost alone, that this does not include your overhead, things like insurance, costs that it takes to have employees, and other overhead that you might have. Okay, so that gives us a total of $47 material costs already. That's what it is. The next thing we're gonna do is talk about aeration. Now, my company, we charge $17 per 1,000 square foot for aeration. So we take that $47. Let's just say we're going with a lawn size, a property size of 7,000 square foot turf. I'm not counting the actual structure on the property. I'm just counting the turf. The turf itself, after everything's been measured, is 7,000 square feet. So we're going to take the $47 and multiply that by 7. That gives us $329. Super. There it is. Now we're going to take the aeration cost, which is $17 per 1,000 square feet. Multiply that by the 7. That gives us $119. Okay. Now, here's where it gets tricky. Some people own their own aerator machine, and some people don't. Right now, I don't. And sometime in the future, I may look to maybe purchase a machine. But once I need to have a justification to purchase that machine so it pay for itself. And that goes for any pieces of equipment that you get. When I add my $20 overhead, because that's what I charge, I'm gonna add additional $20 to cover the other labor and stuff that I did for the seed and fertilizer. The aeration has already been covered. $17, that covers that line of work, or that particular a la carte item. But the seed and fertilizer, I just calculated the material costs of, but I didn't add the overhead costs. So we're gonna add the overhead cost, which is $20 times 7,000 square feet, or times 7, and that gives us $140. And now, my company doesn't own the aeration machine, so now I have to go to Home Depot, which is where I normally go. I normally have the machine for about 3 to 4 hours. So I went ahead and I looked up one of my old documents, and it was around $60. So I put down $60 as a rental fee. Here we have to deposit $150, but at the end of the day, you end up paying $60. Okay. So I added that $60 to the cost. So right now, with seed and fertilizer, we're at $329. Aeration, $119. The overhead, $140, and the equipment fee is $60. Gives us a total of $648. Now, with all of that, we have to find our profit. So we take the $648 minus the $389, and that gives us $259 profit. Now, that doesn't seem like a lot for everything. It's kind of expensive for average homeowners, but like I said, you pay for what you get. Now, if we was to go with a different seed like Tall Fescue, K31, or something else, you might see a higher profit margin. So just take that into consideration on how you laying out your services and how you're doing your services. But hey guys, I hope this helps. Once again, I'm Rick Johnson. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.